Okay, championship battle for championship Class J versus Colegio de San Gabriel. Okay, so bola na number 8 sa Colegio. Okay, so looking for pass, attempt to shoot, no? So bola ng Class J. So yung mananalo dito proceed ng City Meet. Sila yung magre-represent na maglalaro sa City Meet. This is coming from January. Okay, so bola ng Colegio de San Gabriel. Attempt to 3. Basket. So yun. So score po, Class J, 1J. 1 point. So bola po ng Colegio de San Gabriel. Try to attempt isolation, but we have the foul. Number 7. Okay, next inbound by number 8. Looking for pass. Check. Attempt to 3. Basket 3. Boys. Nice steal. Steal. Bola ng Colegio de San Gabriel. Again, 3 points attempt, 2 points attempt, no good. Defense now, defense. Defense, okay. So may tawag na foul, reaching foul. Same ball ang bola, number 31 ang bola. Okay. Okay, offensive foul. So may foul number 11. Okay, Class J ang bola. So naghahanap ng isolation. Oh, nagkaroon ng violation, kicking the ball. So Colegio ang bola. Ayan. So number 45 looking to jump shot. Basket. So yun, nagkaroon ng warning. Warning for delaying the game, Colegio.
Foul, Colegio. Second, team foul.
So free throw po, number 7.
5-1. 7 minutes and 31 seconds.
Ano yung score? Ano mo?
7-2.
Score po, 7-2 in favor of Colegio.
Foul by Colegio. Third team foul.
Sub and foul. So bola ng Class K. So in favor of Colegio de San Gabriel.
Turnover, white ball.
Bola po ay white ball, Colegio de San Gabriel. So depensa ang Class A. Uy! Steal by Class J. Attempt to 3. 2 points, no good. So tumama, violation. So bola ng Class J. Yon.
6 to shoot.
Isolation. Ayun, nice pass.
3 to shoot.
Okay, tinawag na
Bradley.
violation. So nag-aabol po ng score ang Class J. Lamang po ata ang Colegio. So foul.
Foul, Colegio.
Nice go.
Fourth team foul. Official score 5-2. 6 minutes and 30 seconds remaining.
So 5-2, official score, 6 minutes na lang natitira. Inbound by KK inbound. So bola po ng Class J. Nice shot by
5-3.
score
6 minutes
5-3.
and 8 seconds.
Yun.
2.73. 6 to shoot. 3 to shoot.
Yan po. Sipag ang Koleyo. Sipag. Napaganda pa. Kasi yung bola. Tukwing ko pass. Number 14. No good. White ball.
White ball.
So, Colegio de San Gabriel ang bola.
Colegio 7, Class J 3. 6 to shoot.
Check ball.
Yellow ball.
Black ball tayo, black ball mo. So, nagkaroon ng sub. So, violation po, traveling. Nice rebound by Sanggalang. Looking for pass, Iscanilla. Going to penetrate. Ayun, nakuha ng foul.
15 foul for Colegio de San Gabriel.
So, foul. So, free throw po ang Class J.
15 foul for Colegio de San Gabriel. 4 minutes, 30 seconds. 7, 3. 7, 4.
Okay, nice two. Shot by Leo. So, score 8-4 in favor of. Yun, akuha ng foul. Foul number. Number 45. Number 8 foul. So, bonus shot number 31 by Class J. Nice free throw. So, defense po, bola ng Colegio de San Gabriel. Tumira ng 2 points, hindi pumasok. So, no basket.
3 minutes and 49 seconds. 8-6.
So, in favor of 2 points by Colegio de San Gabriel. So, naghintay na lang po ito. So, looking for isolation. Yun, pinasa. Attempt to shoot. No good. Ang inabola. Yun, ha.
8-7.
So, score is 8-7 in favor of Class J.
6 to shoot.
Yan po, foul.
Foul, yellow. Second team foul.
So, free throw po tayo.
Time remaining 3 minutes and 21 seconds. 8 Colegio, 7 Class J.
So, 1 point lang po ang lead ng Colegio de San Gabriel. Kapit tayo, kapit. Ang mananalo rito ay siya magpo-proceed ng City. Okay, basket po tayo.
7.
So, in favor of 2 points by Colegio de San Gabriel. Okay. Yan.
Started 9-8.
So, score is 9-8. Magandang laban. Walang bumibitaw.
5 to shoot.
Na.
3 to shoot.
10 to shoot.
White ball.
White ball daw ang bola.
Cover. Counted. 10-8.
So 10-8 in favor of Colegio. 2 points lead by Colegio. So depensa ng Colegio and opensa. Yun. 5 to shoot. Going shot. Na, ay, sayang. Di pumasok.
Counted. Timeout.
So, commercial po tayo. So, 11-8. Sir, ano masasabi mo sa laban na to, sir?
Maganda, tikitan lang.
Dikitan lang po, dikitan. So, sa tingin mo, sino nakakalamang?
San Gabriel.
San Gabriel, lamang ng San Gabriel. Yan po yung kasama kong siya ang tournament manager natin. So na in favor of 3 points. Okay. So back to the ball game.
Back to the ball game.
So, defense daw, sabi ng mga Colegio. So, looking for attempt. Nice move.
11-9. One minute and 46 seconds remaining. 11-9.
So in favor of Colegio San Gabriel, 2 points. 1 minute na lang ang natitira, under ng 1 minute. So tingnan natin, sino magwawagi? Sabi nga, iba na yung malaki.
One minute and 46 seconds remaining. 11-9.
So in favor of So
62. 11-10.
yan na lang po ang skill ang kalamangan ng Colegio. Tumira, hindi pasok. Oh, panggaling. White ball.
White ball. 30 foul for Ashley. 1 minute and 6 seconds.
1 minute and 6 seconds. Yan po.
Offensive foul. 7 foul.
So 1 point lang po ang lamang.
30 for Colegio.
Offensive po, pag offensive wala po. Looking for pass. Oh, kapit, walang bibitaw.
22.
Good.
White ball.
So 1 point lang ang lamang ng Colegio. Penalty, Colegio, 2 free throws.
15 seconds remaining. 2 free throws, sir.
So 15 seconds na lang natitira, 2 free throw. Chances ng Class J na makalamang. Kung makukuha ang dalawa, sila ang lalamang. First shot, no good. Sayang. So yan po. 15 seconds na lang natitira. Second free throw, kung masushoot ay mag-o-all. So napakagandang laban nito. Second, no good pa rin. Ako, kuha ng Kuleo.
12 seconds. 6 to shoot.
White ball, white ball, white ball. White ball, white ball.
3 to shoot. 4 seconds remaining. 4 seconds remaining.
Ang bola po ay white ball.
3 remaining.
Point 3, sayang.
3 seconds remaining.
Point 3, chances sana, Mira. Ayun talaga. Congratulations. So, nanalo po ang Colegio de San Gabriel. Nice game po. Ano masabi nyo sa pagkapanalo ninyo?
Nice teamwork po, teamwork. Teamwork po yan.
Ano ba ginawa ng preparation para manalo?
Training po kada after school. Tatalino po talaga. Nag-pasulian po namin para manalo.
Kailangan natin pasalamat.
Ito lang yan. Opo.
Puleo! Nakapasok ang City Meet, sila ngayon ang lalaro. Sana, coach, ano sa mo? Mga nadadala kayo sa panalo na ito. Sabi mo, coach.
Laban lang din siguro. Pinaghirapan din sa nila. Kaya
Let's go! Success para sa palaro natin.
ating season 3 sa 3x3. Maganda yung palika. Nasulit talaga lahat ng mga manlalaki.
Okay, so yan po yung mga message ng Colegio de San Gabriel. So abangan nyo po yung susunod na kabanata. Abangan natin yung laro nila sa City Meet. Sana manalo po tayo. Season 3 sa 2023 Champion City Meet.